Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Well, today we're going to be talking about Rashies and heat pressing nylon. Now this is an elastane nylon, right? Stretchy swimwear, okay? The reason we're going to be talking about that is we've got summer coming up, you know, might be good branding, be handing out that sort of thing for making sure we're sun safe. But guys, you do need to know about how to press onto these because they are different to your standard t-shirt. Now, I'm gonna be using the Fusion, the Hotronix Fusion IQ. Now guys, the reason for that, nice big plate, I can pull it out, slide it on. Now this plate, just so you know, when you pull it out, does lock in. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the front print first. So, and we've got the threadability underneath. There we go. Nice and straight. Now, guys, with nylon, we've only shown you guys pressing nylon umbrellas, that sort of thing, but obviously a lot of garments have the nylon in it as well. Now that's a synthetic fabric, so it's gonna heat up really quickly, okay? That's one thing that's really important here. A little bit thicker than an umbrella, but still it's going to be very sensitive to the heat and heating up. So we're going to do some short presses. Also with nylon, I know this has got elastane in it, so it's stretchy, but I want to make sure that we stabilize the fabric first. So if I'm ever pressing something like this, I want to give it a pre-press. Then I'm going to give a shorter application press because it's already got so much heat in it. I don't want to overcook it. And that's the fear with pressing onto something like nylon, is too hot, too long can absolutely be the end of a good press, okay? So make sure that you're not overheating it. Okay, so I've got my heat press. I've dropped it down to 145, okay? A little bit lower than the 150 that's on the instructions. So 145, and I'm doing 6 seconds. So I'm gonna do a 6-second pre-press, okay? Lock that down. And this is gonna make sure that it stabilizes that fabric, okay? Any sort of like shrinking or anything like that has happened now. It's got plenty of heat, and we've also got a perfectly flat surface. Gonna take my transfer, place it down. Now we're just doing a front, center of chest, okay? Cool, nice and high up there on this Rashie. Okay, and because we've just done the pre-press, there's a lot of heat in that fabric and it's holding that heat. We're only doing, and here we go, I'm gonna change that back to 6 seconds. There we go. Manual lockdown, just like that, easy. Now we've got a pressure of 8 right here. And that's a moderate, it's a real actual firm application. And here, just like that, nice and easy. And that's because we've done the pre-press, we can then do that shorter application as well, because there's plenty of heat into the garment. Now, many of you might go do a post-press. Look, in this instance, we probably don't need to, but if you wanted to, you could. Straight down, couple of seconds, that's all you would need, just like that, okay? Straight over the top of the transfer is fine with our Hotronix heat presses. Cool. Now, here we go, taking that off. I'm now gonna slide on and do the back of the shirt as well, just to show you guys that as well. A little bit different on the back here. I'm gonna use our UltraColour Pro transfer. Now, the UltraColour Pro transfer type that we're going to use is for black only garments. Now this is a sample here. You might actually see that written there on the sample. It says for black only garments. When we produce UltraColour Pro, because it is our professional transfer, we ask you what color garments on because it actually changes the way we set the logo up. And the reason for that is we make it look the best it absolutely can on the color garment that it's going onto. So with black only garment transfers, we actually double hit the white. So it's got twice the amount of white ink in it, making sure that it's super vibrant for you. This will be the whitest, most vibrant transfer going onto a black garment. Okay, and that's our UltraColour Pro range. So really important, if you know what's going on. By the way, black only. If it was dark navy, dark, you know, those darker sort of shaded fabrics, that would also be totally fine. Cool. Now we're gonna do the back yoke. So I'm just gonna make sure we can get there, nice and flat. Quick little pre-press. Make sure we got no creases or anything like that. Now from the Fusion IQ, we get great pressure as well. Okay. Bring that back just a little bit. Lock it in. Pressure of 6, that's perfect. Done, unlock. And peel within 4 seconds, okay? Just like that. And as you can see how vibrant this white is. The small detail, all the blue, like that really thin blue that you see there. This is just our UltraColour Pro. It's not fluoro ink or anything like that. It's just super vibrant colors coming out of our indigo, which is part of the UltraColour Pro product. And because it's for black only, we've double hit the white, which gives it that vibrancy. So guys, that there is what I'd be using on a nylon Rashies garment, okay? We've got Max on the front, and the Max works perfectly well onto this sort of fabric, okay? We've got the same glue on the Max as the UltraColour Pro, so it's the same glue, so they both bond. You get good stretch out of the Max. And with the UltraColour Pro, you've got a double hit of white, so you've got really good durability there as well, and really vibrant colors. Guys, remember when pressing onto nylon, give it a pre-press, okay? And you can also drop your temp down a little bit, say 145, because it heats up so quick, but give it a pre-press, and then because you've given it a pre-press, you do a slightly shorter application time as well, because you've already got all of that heat already in the fabric. Any other questions, reach out to us, guys. Check out our other videos. Can't wait for you to see them.